Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Strolling Diaries. In this video, we will give you a hotel tour of Sarovar Portico, Vrindavan. And we will also tell you which room we have taken and its cost. This is the reception area and it's the beautifully decorated Krishna themed reception area. This is the lobby area of the hotel. And now we are entering in our room. We have taken deluxe room in here that costed us around 700 per day. It's a nice room with all the amenities. This is the restaurant of the hotel where the morning buffet is also served. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.